Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making tiramisu, which is probably one of the most popular desserts out there. It's really quick and easy, and it's actually way simpler than you might think it is. We're gonna make it in a tray as well as in small bowls as an individual serving. So before we start the recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like my content. So I'm dissolving my coffee here first because I'm dissolving it in hot water and you want it to come to room temperature. That's why you had the coffee shot before. And then you're gonna need mascarpone, Italian cookies, egg yolks, a fine ground sugar, and some heavy whipping cream. So I'm gonna be cooking my eggs. That's why I'm gonna use a double boiler. If you don't mind raw eggs, you don't have to do this. Just simply whip your eggs in sugar without any heat, which is actually the authentic original way. They use raw eggs and they use both the egg yolk and the egg whites. You follow the same process of whipping the egg yolk till the yolks don't have any grain in them. The sugar has to be completely dissolved and it's gonna double or triple in quantity. It thickens up quite a lot, becomes pale and forms these ribbons. And it's gonna be the same way with or without heat. And if you're using raw eggs, you can whip your egg whites as well and fold them in later. And now I'm gonna start whipping my heavy whipping cream at one corner of the kitchen, and on the other one I'm gonna add some mascarpone. I'm gonna use the entire tub in this recipe. And make sure to take your mascarpone out about 20 minutes before you whip it in, and whip this until it's nice and smooth and silky. And now all you have to do is fold in your whipped cream and the eggs, and make sure to do it gently because you don't want all the air that you have incorporated in both the whipped cream as well as eggs to come out. Do it in a couple of batches, add it slowly, fold it in the number 8 movement and until it's all incorporated. And after that you can layer up your tiramisu. If you're using whipped egg white, you can add it after you've added the whipped cream. Just reduce the quantity of whipped cream. I've added and mentioned everything in the description box for you. So to layer them up, I'm gonna dip my ladyfinger cookies in the coffee, and I'm not gonna dip them too much. You don't want them to break because they're gonna keep soaking. You don't want them to turn into mush, so just gently dip them and take them out. And if you have any corners where the cookies are not fitting, feel free to break them apart, and you can make them in as many layers as you want. I'm using a fairly large tray. It's almost 9 by 13, but I'm gonna make sure to mention the exact measurement of this tray in the description box below. And I'm gonna dust my tiramisu with cocoa powder in the middle as well. This is optional, you don't have to. I just like the dark color it gives when you cut the tiramisu. It gives a very nice rich color in the middle. And then top it up with some more cocoa powder, and there you have it. Freeze it or chill it at least overnight. This is how it looks after it has been in the fridge overnight. Freeze it before cutting it. It gives your tiramisu very clean cuts if it's frozen. And now to make it in dessert cups or for individual servings, all you have to do is add your dipped ladyfinger cookies in the jar, and then use a piping bag or a Ziploc bag to pipe out your cream. And you can design it, layer it however you want. This is the easiest way you can do it. And then on top I'm gonna dust in some more cocoa powder, and I also towards the end I crushed some ladyfinger cookies and added them on top for some more textural interest. So this was today's recipe. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Until next time, the homemaker baker over and out.